most especially to work. So if that's interesting, I'll leave a link to all of the sites. So before we get into the, please, if you are subscribed into, let's get into the. All right. So the first one I'll be consists an introduction to social. There's online responsibility is on recent legislation. So this one is more focused on being a social worker, making reference to you because as at the time of creating has about 1,000, a 1 to 3 hours of learning. It's actually a free course. It has just 2 an introductory course, an introduction to social work. So this is the first course I'll recommend. Disability. Let's look at the next one. Next one is nursing care for people with learning disabilities. This free online those and disability nursing. Want to nurse and whatsoever these are not. Then the course mobility and see or leave this course so that you can course yourself. Then and few learning is it, and then last one is assessment. That which you pass required score certificate. These two courses that I've shared with you so far are actually free courses. So let's look at the third one. So here's the third one. It says become a domiciliary care support worker. So this free online home course explain how to safely support the infant with their another great care support. These courses are quite short. These are another I want some learning. Also a free 2 months. Do make sure you check this out. I'll leave a link. Right, so now we've looked at 3 so far because I'm actually going to be sharing with you 4 courses. Look at this, the first 3 that are actually so the next one is going to be a paid course. It says home health aid, nurse aid, caregiver certificates. So this is more like a robust course, you know, a more robust and professional course. It says become a certified home health aid, personal care aid, nurse aid, caregiver course. So this is actually a great course with 1,000 rates, and it has been updated recently. Then these are some of the things that you learn. I'll leave a link to it so that you can take time to check them out because I don't want the video. So if you look at it, it has 21 section, 91 lecture, almost 10 hours, 10 hours of in total length of this particular course. So you can see it has more content compared to the other free courses that I shared with you earlier. Not to say that these other free courses are not highly recommended, like because they are free, so you might want to consider starting with the courses. I think you know what you want to go with the paid courses because this has more content, more information loaded for you to pick up this particular course because it goes beyond disability care. So you can see it health aid, nurse aid, caregiver certification. So this is a great one you might also want to consider. So if you look at the module in this particular course, that's about one basic human anatomy, physiology as a glance. So this physiology is also very great because if you are dealing with disability, understanding therapeutic drugs, working with the elderly, who are mentally ill, working with development, working with people with physical disability. So you can see that this particular course is taking the time to talk about different levels of disabilities, different levels of care. So patient monitoring, safety and injury, life support, pulmonary resuscitation, that's CPR, and food nutrition. So you can see that it makes sure it touch every areas. Now these modules, if you click under it, there are other topics under it, exactly. So I don't want us to just go through this. Like I said, I don't want the video to, this also interests you, I'll leave a link to it. So this is like, I just decided to save request for the last one great course that I will highly recommend if you are looking forward to work as a caregiver. Like I said earlier, a caregiver, disability care, especially in the in UK, US, or Canada, or every other countries, because for the certificate you're going to get here is actually going to be an edge. These are one of those places where if you work with your certificate, at least you need to show some certification that yes, you have the license or the knowledge of. So if you also come here, if you also scroll down, you see some other courses that are also related um, to disability care or home care, or being a caregiver. So if you even look at the description of the course, saw something. So enroll in our home health aid personal care, work in US, Canada. All right. So it says countries and some US states may have different requirements, may or may not require certification exam. So you can just take your time to go through this description. That's some information that will actually interest you. Then you can also scroll down to see some other courses. So this is being a dementia caregiver, support service. So these are other great courses that you might also want to consider. You look at the review, how long it. Also add it to what this is also. I've taken our time to go through this course before narrowing it down to. So basically, those are the 4 courses I want to share with you. Find value in them. Like I said, I'll leave a link to these courses in the description so that you can take your time to check them out and then enroll. Exactly. So if you come on any of these first 3 once you learn, just click on the start course and then get started. They're actually free courses and certificates. So if you find value in this, get to subscribe. Just click on that